Sheetal. Today's remedy is all about helping you build collagen, which is our skin's structural protein. And when collagen is building rather than degrading, then you can expect your skin to look youthful, ageless, firm. You can also expect the appearance of lines and wrinkles to be much reduced. So in other words, this is an age defense remedy. It is all natural and all it takes is 3 ingredients. Before getting started, I'll say subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and tell me in comments below what you thought of this video. Okay, let's get started. Ingredient number 1 is aloe vera or kumari, and this is a beautiful source of hydration, natural hydration. It's a beautiful source of plant hormones as well as a lot of minerals and vitamins that help support your skin's collagen production. And aloe vera is also very well known to enhance the glow and radiance of your skin. So we need 1 teaspoonful of aloe vera for this remedy. And the aloe that I use is from a fresh aloe plant that's growing right here outside my office. So fresh is always better. Okay, ingredient number 2 is almond oil, which is called badam ka tel in Hindi or Ayurveda, and it's the beautiful beauty enhancing ingredient. It's rich in fatty acids. It's a very significant and decent source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant. So antioxidants mitigate or reduce free radical damage to your skin, and therefore reduce the chances of your collagen breaking down at an abnormally fast rate. So that is the reason why we are going to use almond oil in this remedy. So 1 full teaspoonful of almond oil. The third and the last ingredient for this remedy is lemon juice. Now lemon juice, because it is a source of vitamin C, which is very well known for its age defense properties. It is an antioxidant and also reduces free radical damage, and that's the reason why it could have phenomenal collagen properties, collagen enhancing, collagen building properties. It's also a source of this alpha hydroxy acid called citric acid, which exfoliates the top layers of your skin and makes your skin appear bright and glowing, and can also reduce the appearance of dark spots, of blemishes, and so forth. So for this remedy, we are going to use 1 teaspoonful of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Remember, fresh ingredients are better than ingredients that have been sitting around because they've lost their potency. So now we have these 3 ingredients together, and let's mix them. And I can use my face mask brush or a chopstick to mix everything together. Give it a good mix, maybe like 1 or 2 minutes. Alright, the next thing you'll do is apply this remedy on your skin, but before that, remove all your makeup. And for that, I'm going to use a wet paper towel. Okay, so the next thing is that I'm getting my face mask brush and mixing these ingredients further, and I'm going to dab these on my skin like this. It feels very cool, and that's because of the aloe vera, and it might sting your skin just a little bit because of the lemon juice. If it gets uncomfortable, then of course wash your skin, but a little bit of stinging, I think for this remedy, is very normal and expected. It feels very hydrating and very refreshing. I can already tell that this will very successfully increase the hydration levels of my skin and leave it very plump and glowing, and in a position where it's repaired, nourished, as well as the free radical damage is reduced significantly. So I'll say go ahead and use this remedy about once a week or twice a week. And after you're done dabbing it, applying it all over your skin, you're going to leave it on for 12 or 15 minutes. It will not necessarily dry, it will stiffen up a little bit. And then just go ahead and use some lukewarm water to wash your skin. Of course, use your favorite Apsara cleanser, and follow that up with your favorite Apsara toner and serum. Many of you have asked me what Apsara cleanser I personally use, and the name of it is Apsara's Camphor and Geranium Cleanser. It's meant for oily and acne prone skin, and it works beautifully on my skin. So I hope that you found today's remedy very useful and that you're going to use it very soon. And also take a moment to tell me in comments below what your thoughts were and what you would like the next remedy to be all about. Take a moment, visit us at apsaraskincare.com, and up until the next time, take care, go natural, it is good karma.